Good morning. Today we see next exercise. Exercise 7.2. For that, integration x raised to n dx equal to. Formula for integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, where n is not equal to minus 1, not equal to minus 1. If n equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, x to the power, that is x square by 2. Integration of k dx is equal to kx. For example, value of k is 7. Integration of 7 dx is equal to 7x. Integration of x by 2, half constant as it is, the integration of x square is x square by 2, that is x square by 4. And integration of sin x is minus cos x. This formula number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, fundamental theorem on integral calculus, that is integration a to b f of x dx equal to fb minus fa, that is b is called upper limit, a is called lower limit, upper limit. For example number first, integration 1 to 2 2x dx equal to 2 as it is, integration of x is x square by 2, square bracket 1 to 2, 2 to get cancel, x square 1 to 2, put x equal to 2 and x equal to 1. 2 square 4 minus 1 equal to 3. By using this result, we can solve exercise 7.2 definition. PDF. Probability density function, that is PDF. PDF, a function f of x is called probability density function if f of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x and integration minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Then see and write in your notebook, that is integration of x raised to n. By using these formulas, we can solve next example, that is exercise 7.2. Similarly, you can change if integration of 8 dx, 8x minus 8 dx and so on. आणि हे आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन चॅप्टरमध्ये होणार आहे. या चॅप्टरमध्ये जेवढे इंटिग्रेशनचे फॉर्म्युले लागतात तेवढेच आपण घेतलेले आहेत. त्यामुळे साधे 3 फॉर्म्युले फक्त लक्षात ठेवायचे. इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ एक्स, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ f of x, integration of sin x. Now verify which of the following. 7.2 question number 1. Question number 1. Verify each of the following. Verify each of the following. Each PDF of random variable x is PDF of RVX. For example number first, f of x equal to sin x, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2, less than or equal to pi by 2. Given f of x equal to sin x, f of x equal to sin x. Now sin x positive. Why? First quadrant x la limit is 0 to pi by 2. Theta lies first quadrant, therefore f of x is positive. Second condition, integration 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. आपण फॉर्म्युल्यात मायनस इन्फिनिटी टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी, लोअर लिमिट जर 0 असेल तर 0 घ्यायचं, अप्पर लिमिट जर पाय बाय 2 असेल तर पाय बाय 2 घ्यायचं, लोअर लिमिट जर 1 असेल तर इथं 1, 2 असेल तर इथं 2, लोअर आणि अप्पर. आणि मग बाय फॉर्म्युला इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ साइन एक्स इज मायनस कॉस एक्स, मायनस कॉस एक्स 0 to pi by 2, that is equal to minus bracket cos pi by 2 minus cos 0, that is equal to minus bracket 0 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Second condition satisfied, therefore f of x has PDF or f of x is the PDF, f of x is the PDF. See over here, verify question, verify each of the following is PDF of RVX, means random variable x. f of x equal to sin x डिफाइन केलंय त्यांनी, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. Given f of x equal to sin x and sin x define केलाय first quadrant, that is f of x is positive. First condition satisfied. Now second condition as x lies in first quadrant, x lies first quadrant, x lies first quadrant. Now second condition, integration lower limit to upper limit, integration 0 to pi by 2 f of x dx is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. We know integration of sin x is minus cos x, that minus, and put value of x, that is upper limit pi by 2 minus lower limit 0. And we know cos 90 0, cos 0 1, that is equal to 1. Therefore f of x is PDF. f of x is PDF. Similarly, you can solve example number second, that is verify each of the following is PDF or not. Now example number 2, that is example number 2, that is f of x equal to x 2 minus x, x 2 minus x, 2 minus x, 0 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Now 0 to 1, 1 to 2. See over here, first condition given f of x, f of x equal to x 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2 minus x. Now put any value of x 0 to 1, f of 0 0, f of 1 1 positive, f of 1 पेक्षा ग्रेटर आणि 2 पेक्षा लेस जर आपण पुट केला तर हे पण पॉझिटिव्ह येते. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट कंडिशन f of x positive greater than or equal to 0 in 1 2, in 1 2, closed interval 1 2. Now second condition, integration 0 to 1 f of x plus integration 1 to 2 f of x dx equal to integration 0 to 1 x dx plus integration 1 to 2 2 minus x dx. Here f of x दोन इंटरवल मध्ये डिफाइन केले, 0 to 1 आणि 1 to 2. त्यामुळं आपण 0 to 1 आणि 1 to 2 हे घेतलेलं आहे. दॅट इज इक्वल टू x square by 2 0 to 1 plus integration 2x minus x square by 2 1 to 2. Integration of 2 is 2x. Integration of x is x square by 2 minus as it is. That is equal to half minus 0. Half minus 0 plus put value of 2, that is 2 into 2 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 minus 1 upon 2. That is equal to half plus bracket 2 minus half. 2 minus 3 by 2. Half plus half equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is the PDF. F of x is the PDF. See and write in your notebook. That is, see over here, question number 2. Function define केलेलं f of x equal to x 0 to 1. f of x equal to 2 minus x 1 to 2. आपण 11वीला सेट रिलेशन फंक्शन मध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. आणि मग f of x equal greater than or 0 to in interval 1 to 2, that is positive. And second, f of x is equal to इंटिग्रेशन सॉल्व करा, पहा कसं दिलेलं आहे. f of x, integration of x is x square by 2. I repeat again, plus as it is integration of constant 2 चा 2x minus as it is integration of x is x square by 2, and put upper limit minus lower limit, put x equal to 1 square minus 1 square upon 2 minus 0, put x equal to 2 and x equal to 1, upper limit minus lower limit, and solve the example number 2 and example number 3, that is f of x equal to 2 constant 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Here given f of x equal to 2, that is greater than 0, first condition. Second condition, integration 0 to 1 f of x dx equal to integration 0 to 1 2 dx equal to integration of 2 is 2x 0 to 1, that is equal to 2 minus 0 equal to 2, not equal to 1. Therefore f of x is not PD. f of x is not P. f of x is not the PDF, not the PDF. Probability density function. See and write in your notebook. That is, integration of 0 to 1, integration of 2x is integration of 2 is 2x. Constant integration आपल्याला माहिती आहे 2x. Upper limit minus low. Put x equal to 1, that is 2 into 1 2. Put x equal to 0, 2 into 0 0. And integration 0 to 1 not equal to. Hence the result. See over here and write in your notebook. Question number similarly you can solve example number 2nd and 3rd for homework. Example 2nd and 3rd homework. See over here and write in your notebook. That is example number 2. Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook.